an 18-core Intel Core i9 Extreme, 4-way Radeon Recipe Vega or dual GeForce GTX 1080Ti GPUs, up to 128GB quad-channel DDR4, liquid cooling, yadda. It has LEDs on the fans. It has LEDs on the motherboard. It has wheels. It's all vents and mesh, with easy open sides. And big handles. I want this thing huffing and puffing atop my desk, driving 2 Dell 8K monitors. The above is the maximum out configuration, of course. Announced at IFA in Berlin. It will actually start at $2,000, roughly £1,550 or $2,500, though it's not clear what that configuration consists of, or how many cat-sitting jobs it will take to pay for the top-end kits. And those RGB lit fans cost extra. It has 10 USB Type-A ports, among other connections, enough for all your VR gear. Europe will get it in November, and we won't see it in the US until December. The Predator Cestus 500 mouse comes with an eminently practical feature, at least for me. Mouse buttons with 2 different levels of resistance. I routinely waste ammo and spoil stealth attacks in first-person shooters because of a lazy right forefinger that drops onto the firing button when I'm not paying attention. This potential lifesaver will cost $80, roughly £60 or $100, when it comes out in November. There's also a new gaming headset called the Predator Gallia 500, with supposedly better sound and surround directionality. I hope so for $300, roughly £230 or $370. The big draw is something Acer calls 3D sound, which means the headset recognizes when you move your head and seamlessly adjusts the sound accordingly. For example, if you hear a noise in the right channel, a conventional headset will play that noise in your right ear, no matter which way you're facing. But with the Gallia's 3D sound, you can turn towards the source of the sound and hear it differently.